Hey guys, so previously somebody has asked me how do we protect a worksheet from people being accidentally updating it or making changes to it. So I'm going to show you how. So let's say we want to protect this database worksheet. So you go to the worksheet and then you go to data, and then under data you can see protect sheets and ranges. So you add a sheet or range. In this case, you can either protect a range of value, like protect just one column, or you can actually protect the whole worksheet. In this case, I want to protect the whole database worksheet. You can also exclude certain cells if you want, like some cells maybe allow people to make changes. Okay, and then you set permission, and then you can restrict to whether only you can edit this, or you can restrict to a group of people who can edit it, and then you put done. Once you have done that, you can see that there's a lock next to the worksheet, and then people can't edit it anymore. And also, like I previously mentioned, let's say you really don't want people to know about this worksheet. I mean, if let's say they only want to use the input form to input the data, and then use the dashboard to see the data, then basically you can go to the worksheet, right click, hide sheet, and then nobody will know that there's such a worksheet at all, unless of course they go to view, and then they can see that there's a hidden sheet. Okay, that's it guys, thank you.